I love my free sample by Conscious. So it's a Keto Active dark chocolate truffle. So it is a naturally BHB ketones, and all you have to do is, if you like me starting out, you don't want to do a one scoop unless you want to, but I would like to start with half scoop, and this is how it looks. And you can mix it with water, with a shake, with coffee. It's going to give you energy throughout the day. It has good benefits. This is how it looks. I'm just mixing it with water for the purpose of the video, but this is more or less how it looks with water and only half a scoop. And you can increase the dose according to how you like it, how you resist it. So I like the fat burning metabolism, and then it's also going to help you concentrate a little bit better. I hope you can give it a try, and I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.